welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new or you have not subscribed yet to my channel, I would like to encourage you to do so. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. So today what we're going to be working on is I have a little activity for my kids today. I thought it would be cute to incorporate an activity like this during the month of Halloween, October, but it is the Halloween season. And what I was planning to do is we're going to be decorating some fruit cups, some mandarin oranges, some cheese sticks. We're going to keep doing a lot of Halloween activities throughout the month of October, so that my kids get into the Halloween festivities. My daughter Ariana is 15. My little daughter Amaya, she's 10. They are into the Halloween seasons and they like the trick-or-treating. However, Ariana's getting a little bit older and I still want to have a little bit of fun with them. So this is a great activity to do with little ones. If you have small kids, you can actually outline the faces that we're going to do and have them color it in. It's a great time to spend bonding with your kids. And also it put little smiles on their faces when you put that actually in their lunch kits if they take lunch to school, or even if you have it around the house. I mean, it's just fun that they can just grab it and they knew that they decorated this, and it's just fun. So I want to bring you guys along with me, and that way you can see how I do it with my kids and give you guys a chance to actually meet them. So yeah, here we go. Okay guys, so here we have some fruit cups. I have some peaches and mandarin oranges in the cups, and here is some cheese sticks and some mandarin oranges. I have this cute little box here that I'm going to keep the mandarin oranges in, and we're going to go ahead and start decorating. For this, all you're going to need is a couple Sharpies for the kids to use. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get decorating. Okay, so in the spirit of Halloween, the girls are actually going to start decorating these mandarins to look like little lanterns. So you're gonna do them top side up, so you can see like it looks like a little pumpkin top, and then that way it'll look like a little pumpkin. So here are the girls. They're ready to be coloring and, well, decorating their fruit cups, fruit and cheese. So, alrighty girls, let's get started.
until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you.
Alrighty guys, there you have it. That's how everything turned out. Look how cute they look. Yes. There's our little cheese ghost. I know, they're so adorable.
That one has a spider on its face.
Oh, that is so cute.
Where's the one that I did with the spider? Oh,
So cute.
What it is?
Alrighty guys, well I hope you give this a try with your kids, or just in general if you want to add a little bit of festiveness to your fruits and cheese sticks. And these girls did enjoy doing this. It was quick and easy, and it didn't take very long at all. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.
Yep.
And say, well, we're gonna say, until next time, guys.
Until next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all.
What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna decorate these, and it's gonna be a nice little addition to, like a. Why are you laughing? What?
Daddy.
Oh, he's screaming in the background.